Hello students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is inequalities. First of all, we should understand the meaning of the inequalities. A statement involving variable or variables and the sign of inequality, that is greater than or lesser than or lesser and equal than or greater or equal than, is called an inequation, or you can say an equality. For example, 3x minus 2 is greater than 0, 4x minus 6y is lesser than 0, 2x plus 5y is lesser than or equal to 0. These are the example of inequalities. Another important point, that is solution of an equation. A solution of an equation is the value or values of the variable or variables that makes it a true statement. Another term, that is solution set. Solution set, the set of all possible solutions of an inequation, is known as its solution set. Okay. Now we will try how to solve an equation. To solve any inequation or equality, there are few rules. Rule number one, equal numbers may be added or subtracted both the sides of an equation. For example, 3x plus y is greater than 4. Here you may add any number, same number, both the side, like this, 3x plus y. Suppose we add 5 both the side like this, then there is no change to this equation. Or you may subtract. See another example, x minus 5 is lesser than 0. Here you want to subtract 3 number, both the sides, like this, x minus 5 minus 3 lesser than 0 minus 3, or finally you can say x minus 8 lesser than minus 3. This is the rule number 1. I repeat, equal numbers may be added or subtracted both the sides of an inequation. Now rule number 2. Both sides of an equation may be multiplied or divided by the same positive real number without changing the sign of inequality. For example, x minus 5 is greater than 7. If you want to multiply in this inequation both the side by 2, so you may multiply it like this, 2x minus 5 greater than 2 into 7. That is 2x minus 10 is greater than 14. Without changing the sign is same whenever you multiply or divide. See the division case, x minus 5 is greater than 7, and in this case whenever you want to divide in equation both the side by 3, so you may write down like this, x minus 5 by 3 and 7 by 3. There is no change in the sign of inequation. Okay. Now see the rule number 3. both sides of an equation may be multiplied or divided by the negative number, then the sign of inequality is reversed. Pay attention here. For example, x minus 5 is lesser than or equal than 3. If you want to multiply by minus 3, like this, minus 3, x minus 5, this side minus 3 into 3, then this sign will reversed like this. Okay? Or you may divide. See the division case, x plus 1 is greater than 5. If you want to divide in this equation y minus 3, like this, x plus 1 divided by minus 3, here 5 divided by minus 3, then this sign of inequation or equality will reverse. This is the greater than, the reverse part is lesser than. Okay? Now see the rule number 4. Any term of an equation may be taken to the other side with its sign changed without affecting the sign of inequality. See one example, x minus 5 is greater than 0. Is greater than 0. Now in this case, x is greater than this minus 5, transfer to the right hand side, then it will equal to minus 5, 2 plus 5. This is the rule number 4. These are 4 rules, are very much helpful whenever we will solve the equation.